Hi guys, Tom Aldridge here. Thanks so much for choosing Suburban Pest Management to carry out your termite protection. We've put together this quick video to briefly explain how you can help us maintain the termite bait stations so that they always remain effective. It's important not to cover the stations with gravel, mulch or stored items, as this can make it difficult for our team to access each visit. If the stations become inaccessible, they could potentially become ineffective, which no one wants. You see, the stations are only effective at stopping termites whilst they're being monitored. Unless a bait is added to the stations, termites can potentially continue on past the stations, causing serious problems to your home. If you're ever doing any renovations or landscaping and our stations become in the way, we recommend you contact us immediately and we can advise the best way moving forward. We don't recommend just removing the stations in case termites are present, as this will affect the process of colony elimination. And if a station becomes damaged or you feel one is missing, please don't hesitate to contact us about what is needed to keep your home protected from termite attack. Lastly, I wanted to talk about the importance of continuing with regular inspections. You see, there are many factors that can still put the building at risk of termite attack, such as limitations to the system, conducive conditions attracting termites towards the building, and ways the stations can become compromised without you even realising. For this reason, it is crucial that we regularly inspect the entire building inside and out, as well as the yard for signs of new termite activity. By regularly reviewing the overall risk of termite attack to the property, we can ensure that the termite bait stations remain the most effective termite protection for you and your home. But don't worry, we'll contact you when your inspection's due, and you can even book online 24 hours a day. Thanks again for choosing Suburban Pest Management, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.